Well, Cooper, isn't this just a beautiful day outside? I know it looks cloudy, and I think it might rain or something. Hope not.
Yeah, I just wish it was sunny again.
So, I wonder what we're going to do today.
Well, I don't know. Hick.
What the heck was that?
I don't know. Hick.
Oh my goodness. You got the hiccups.
I got the hick. Hiccups? Hick.
Yeah, you got the hiccups all right.
How do I? Hick. Get rid of the hick. Hiccups? Hick.
Oh my goodness, Cooper. You've been hiccuping a lot.
20 minutes later.
Cooper, it's been 20 minutes, and I still haven't got rid of your hiccups. I tried splashing you with water. I tried giving you some sugar to eat. I tried scaring you behind your back. Nothing I tried works.
I know. Hick.
Well, what are you going to do now?
I don't know. Hick. But. Hick. I think I'm just going to. Hick. Take a nap. Hick.
Cooper. No, don't take a nap now. Wait a minute. Ha 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 ha. I'm going to put up the Paramount DVD logo. That's going to get rid of his hiccups for sure. I'm such a genius. Is there anything in there? No. I guess we're good to go then.
Oh no! That can't be what I hick. Think it is. Hick. Hey.
That was priceless.
Wait a second. You did this?
Yeah. What are you going to do about it? Ow. Ow. Sorry! What was that for?
This is what you get for traumatizing me with a Paramount DVD logo.
Cooper. Wait! Your hiccups are gone. Oh, you're right.
Maybe I should not beat you up. I'm such an idiot for doing that.
Yeah, and you better have done that. I just cannot believe you would beat me up over some stupid logo. Hick. Aw, crud.